How to use Price Breakout. The Price Breakout block allows us to set a specific price over volume-based condition for any symbol. It activates whenever the condition becomes true. To get started, select Price Breakout from the triggers and choose a configuration from the list. These configurations are just variations of the Price Breakout node, similar to templates, which help us set up the Price Breakout quickly. We select a configuration, click on Edit, and review the available Price Breakout types. Types of Price Breakout triggers. LTP, last traded price. Triggers when the current market price crosses your set level. Average traded price. Triggers when the day's volume weighted average price crosses your set level. Intraday change. Triggers when the move from today's open to LTP crosses your set value. Intraday change percentage. Triggers when the percentage change from today's open to LTP crosses the percentage you've set. Day change. Triggers when the move from the previous close to LTP crosses your set value. Day change percentage. Triggers when the percentage change from the previous close to LTP crosses the percentage you've set. Candle close. Triggers when a candle closes above or below your set price on the selected time frame. For example, here we are selecting LTP for State Bank of India greater than 500. In this case, Price Breakout will wait for the symbol to have an LTP greater than 500 in real time. If we select Average Traded Price, the system checks if the volume-weighted average traded price of the day is greater than 500. We can also check the intraday change, such as the intraday change percentage. For intraday change, we can specify a 20 rupees intraday change. Please note, intraday change is the price difference from the day's opening price to the current LTP, while day change percent is the price difference from the previous day's close. Volume traded today can also be specified. For example, we can set a condition for the volume traded for the day to cross 1 lakh. Similarly, we can specify in the case of candle close. There is an additional option to select the candle close time frame. In this case, whenever a 15-minute candle closes above a value, for example, 500, the price breakout block will be triggered. For day change percent, you can enter the percentage directly. For example, if you set it to 1%, the trigger activates when the day's move crosses 1%. Similarly, for intraday change percent, if you set 1%, the trigger activates when the price moves 1% from today's open to the current price. Once the trigger is set, you can attach any action you want. And that's how the price breakout trigger works. Let's recap. The price breakout node triggers activates when a symbol meets a defined price, percentage, or volume condition in real time. Select Price Breakout, choose a configuration, click Edit, and pick the breakout type, such as LTP, Average Traded Price, Intraday Price Change or Percentage Change, Day Change or Day Change, percent, Candle Close, or Volume Traded Today. For example, State Bank LTP greater than 500 triggers instantly when the live price crosses 500 rupees. Average traded price checks the day's average price, while intraday change compares the day's open to LTP and day change compares the previous close to LTP. Candle close triggers when a selected time frame candle, example 15 minutes, closes beyond a value. Once the condition is met, the trigger will be activated. Got questions on Price Breakout? Comment below or ask us in the FYERS community. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.